AI art generation has completely transformed the print-on-demand POD world. Instead of hiring designers or spending hours learning Photoshop, you can now create high-quality, original artwork in minutes using tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI. These tools allow you to produce unlimited styles: cute, retro, anime, futuristic, abstract, hand-drawn, watercolor, and more. Because AI generates unique art every time, your designs stand out in crowded marketplaces like Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify. This drastically cuts production time and removes the need to depend on external designers. AI art gives you a massive competitive advantage by making creativity fast, scalable, and affordable, perfect for building a profitable merch brand or POD store. Before creating designs, you need to identify what buyers actually want. AI can help you research profitable niches such as animals, cats, dogs, foxes, professions, nurses, teachers, engineers, hobbies, gaming, gardening, fitness, and trend-driven styles like retro synthwave, kawaii, minimalist line art, or watercolor botanicals. Emotional niches like humor, sarcasm, motivation, and inspirational quotes also perform extremely well. Use keyword tools like Everbee, Insight Factory, and Google Trends to validate search demand. Review Etsy's bestsellers tags and Amazon merch leaderboards to see what's working right now. Look for niches with consistent demand but low to medium competition. Once you find your niche, tailor your AI art prompts to match the audience's taste. This ensures your designs sell rather than sit idle. Now that you know your niche, it's time to generate your artwork. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E respond best to detailed prompts. Describe the subject, style, composition, colors, lighting, and mood. For example, cute watercolor fox wearing a scarf, soft pastel palette, symmetrical layout, white background, children's book illustration style. You can also specify print-friendly styles such as flat design, vector, line art, or bold outlines. After generating your images, use built-in upscalers or external tools, Topaz, Gigapixel, Replicate, to achieve high-resolution output suitable for large prints. Create multiple variations of each prompt. Slight tweaks often produce surprising hits. This process lets you rapidly explore creative ideas and build a large catalog of sale-ready designs. AI art needs a bit of preparation before being uploaded to POD platforms. First, remove backgrounds to create clean PNG files. Tools like Canva, RemoveBG, or Adobe Express work perfectly. Ensure your images meet POD size requirements. 4500 x 5400 pixels is standard for merch by Amazon, and larger files allow for more flexibility. If your design includes text, choose clean, readable fonts and make sure the layout looks balanced. For flexible products, consider exporting vector-style designs using AI vectorization tools. Create multiple color variations, dark version, pastel version, neon version, to increase your product range and appeal to wider audiences. With proper formatting, your AI-generated art becomes professionally ready for t-shirts, stickers, posters, mugs, tote bags, and more. To maximize sales, pair your AI art with strong product listings. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can generate SEO-optimized titles, tag lists, and descriptions tailored for Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. These increase your visibility in search results and improve click-through rates. Use mock-up generators to show your designs on shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and lifestyle scenes. Visual storytelling boosts conversions. Upload your designs to multiple marketplaces to expand your reach with no additional effort. Test new designs weekly and track performance. A successful POD strategy is built on volume and iteration. Your winners may come from unexpected designs. AI lets you scale your creation process so you can test thousands of ideas until you find consistent sellers.